get a second wind, have a renewed energy after having been tired burst of energy. Okay? Place in the pan, place in the pan. Flea market, flea market, flea market, a place where antique and second hand goods are sold. Flea market, flea market, flea market, flea market, flea market, flea market, a place where antique and second hand goods are sold. Kabadi bazar, kabadi bazar. Flea market, kabadi bazar. Place in the pan, place in the pan, place in the pan. Chanik sapulta, place in the pan, place in the pan. मतलब someone or something whose success or popularity is short lived. Place in the pen, 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 place in the pen. Fit like a globe, fit like a globe, fit like a globe. To fit snugly, to fit snugly, to fit snugly. और first and foremost मतलब highest priority, most important aspect, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण. First and foremost अगर fire the imagination, दिल दिल दिलचस्पी जागना. Fire the imagination, fire the imagination, fire the imagination, fire the imagination, fire the imagination to make someone feel very interested in something and excited. Fire the imagination, excited about it. ठीक है, आग लगा दिया. Fire in one's belly, fire in one's belly, fire in one's belly. Strong determination to success, कुछ हासिल करने का दृढ़ संकल्प. Fire in one's belly, fire in one's belly, fire in one's belly, fire in one's belly मतलब strong determination to success. Finish with something, finish with something. Be through, समाप्त करना. Finish with something, 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 finish with something. Be through समाप्त करना. करेगा finding their fit मतलब beginning to understand the work and feel confident. Finding their feet, beginning to understand the work and feeling confident. Beginning to understand the work and feeling confident. काम को समझना और आत्मविश्वास महसूस करना. ठीक है. Find yourself in a trouble water मतलब in a difficult situation और time में भी. ठीक है. Figure out finally understood. अब fight your own battle मतलब to try to overcome challenge without help from anyone else. Fight side of me to avoid in encountering. मोटिवेशन से बचना. Fight side of me जाना. Fight fire with fire मतलब to fight against an opponent by using the same methods or weapons that the opponents use. Fifth wheel, an unneeded person. Fifth wheel. पांचवा पहिया, बिना आवश्यक मतलब अनावश्यक व्यक्ति. Few and far between मतलब rare and seldom seen. Not frequent, unusual, दुर्लभ. Few and far between ये भी ठीक है. Fell through, fired, failed, अनुतीर्ण होना. Fell through, अनुतीर्ण. Fell through, correct. Fall off. Got into trouble with, fall off, get into trouble with. Correct. Fell back, turn back, पीछे मुड़ना. Feel the pinch, having financial problem of the sudden. ठीक है. अब कह रहा है कि ड्रेसिंग डाउन मतलब गिव हाई फोल्डिंग. ड्रेसिंग डाउन किसी को डांटना. ड्रीव ऑन हिज फैंसी, ड्रीव मतलब यूज हिज इमेजिनरी. कह रहा है कि ड्राइव होम मतलब emphasize एन इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु पर जोर देना. ड्राइव समवन अप द वॉल मतलब मेक समवन वेरी इरिटेट और एंग्री. ड्रॉप इन मतलब पे अ कैजुअल विजिट बिन बताया ना. ड्रॉप इन करके ड्रॉप नेम फेमस पीपल टू इम्प्रेस अदर hinting at a high connection. Dropping like flies, collapsing in a large number of people either